Setting up your modifiers is an important aspect of building your menu. Once you've built supercategories, categories, and items, you will then build your modifier groups and modifiers. The modifier group is going to be something like pizza toppings or sides. Those are the larger groupings of modifiers. You'll then break those down individually as modifiers. So something like onions can be a topping. Something like rice would be a side. You will then associate each of these items in modifiers with their modifier group. The modifier group will show as a drop-down menu when you choose each modifier. Once you've inputted your modifier groups and your modifiers, you will then associate those items with your items or categories. A great way to do this is to do it on the category level. That means something like salads are going to have associations of modifying things like dressings or add-ons. You can do this at the category level so you don't have to go and individually do this per each salad. You choose to associate them here at the category level. You can go through and make specific choices. Things like having all be options, having only some be options, and setting a price that would associate with each of these items. In this instance, there is 0 value to each of the dressings. However, if you wanted to add on, you can add on any of these options with a dollar value associated. Once you've completed, choose Save. Those modifier and modifier groups are now associated with salads. You can do this the same on the item level if you do not want to associate them with the entire category.